Hi traders, in this video, let us understand how order slicing works on the FYERS platform. Order slicing is the feature where your large order, which is above the freeze quantity, is automatically sliced into multiple orders. Let's understand with an example. Here, we have Nifty 20,000 call option chart in front of us. If we open the order placement panel and type in 2000 quantity, we are immediately notified that the order limit for this instrument is 1800 quantity and that our order will now be divided into two different orders. In the first order, 1800 quantity will be placed, and in the second order, the remaining 200 quantity will be placed. In order to proceed with the order placement, please click on Buy. Hope this video has been insightful.